On the east coast of Canada, the Atlantic waters are colder, which means Atlantic salmon tends to be fattier. This is a good thing because fat is flavor, and flavor is what you get with my salmon burgers and pickled peach topping. The smell of this cooked bacon in this kitchen right now is ridiculous, and it's gonna go so good on my salmon burgers. It's all about fish and fruit for these recipes of the cookbook, and this, my lovely friends, is a peach. Plump, ripe, and it screams summer, but I need to pickle them. And it starts with some toasted fennel seeds. They're really good when you toast them. They kind of release more flavor. When crushing fennel seeds, or any seeds for that matter, I like to use a little pot. And because they're toasted and you grind them a little bit, it just kind of releases all of its beautiful flavor, and then you have a vessel for your seeds. Now, pickling liquid is all about balance. It needs to be sweet and acidic. So for my acid, apple cider vinegar, love it. And when the vinegar goes in, I season it right away because the vinegar will dissolve the salt. And just for a touch of sweetness, honey. There it is. I kind of treat peaches like an avocado, and the pit comes right out. Now these are for my burger, and I want to have just like that little flesh open, so I'm just gonna slice it. And that is like the perfect thickness. And it can go right into the liquid. So good, so simple. And in like 30 minutes, pickled peaches. This is Atlantic salmon. Look at this piece of fish. Gonna go perfect in the burger. Now, I don't want skin on it, so I'm gonna show you a great trick to take it off. Just go into the middle, and then kind of angle your knife out. Peace. Perfect. And you do the same to the other side. I had this salmon in the freezer just for a little bit because it firms the meat up and it makes it way easier to cut because it needs to be a small dice for the burger. That is a perfect chop. Now this fish needs some flavor friends. Green onion, cilantro, and parsley. Into the burger. This is so simple. I love this recipe, and we're almost done. Yeah. Salt. Pepper. Mustard seeds. I love mustard and powdered mustard seeds. It adds a little body, it adds a little depth. Now you can use so many things to make these burgers stick together, but I'm using egg yolk and egg white, as it doesn't take any of the flavor away from your delicious burger. Whip it real good. Now that is a stiff peak. It's perfect, and it can go right into the burger. Now the last thing to make it all sticky is a little bit of breadcrumb. You can use panko, you can crush up crackers, whatever you want. I'm using breadcrumbs. And about 30 minutes in the fridge, and the bread's gonna soak up any leftover moisture. That is epic. Don't look at me like I'm frickin' Frankenstein. Give your buns a hug. Who doesn't toast their buns? You gotta have a toasted bun when you're having a burger. Hashtag toast your buns. Now for the best part, the salmon burgers. We're hand forming, so here's a good secret. Wet your hands. It really helps to wet your hands. It kind of makes it like a non-stick surface. It's key. You want it nice and even. Let's cook it. I'm using 2 types of fat. Butter, listen to this. That's a good sound. And a little bit of canola oil. Canola oil holds up to high heat, and there's breadcrumbs in there. It's gonna like drink up all of this wonderful toasted butter flavor. Right in, man. This doesn't take long. A couple minutes aside, golden. Whew, perfect. You want to see the world's fastest mayo? Start the clock. sriracha mayo. Time to build a burger. Now, the pickled peaches have a little bit of the fennel attached to it. Leave it. That's flavor. That's delicious. It can go right on the bacon. I'm telling you, you have to try it. It is all salmon. And the pickled peaches and fennel are gonna blow your mind. Fish and fruit, amazing. That is cookbook worthy.